You know, one of the biggest trading lessons I ever learned, if not the biggest trading lesson I ever had, was to understand that my individual stock trades don't operate in a vacuum. They're really mostly moving in line with what the big major indexes are doing, like the S&P and the Dow and the Nasdaq. Understanding what those guys are doing gives you a clue as to why your individual trades are acting the way they are. Your individual stock trades are like ships on the ocean of the major market indexes, so you need to know the tide and current of the market to successfully navigate your way to trading profits. Are we in a bull market or a bear market? What will happen to your trades this week? Don't get caught out and don't miss out. To understand the charts you're about to see, get your free video course and manual, plus many other free bonuses at stockgossipfilter.com. Now let's begin the show.
Welcome to another weekly market update after the market closed. A little bit one day late today than usual. We're doing this on the 22nd of May, the Monday close. And as usual, we're starting with the main index, S&P 500. With the big picture view, the weekly view. Each of these up and down pegs is a week of action that's smoothed out for us by the all-important 40-week moving average, which is the red line there. And let's see how we're doing. So last week I said there was a point of resistance here, and it's overcome that. This market is a strong market. You think of the worries it's had with the debt ceiling and so on and things like that, and it just wants to go higher, and it's pushed ahead, and it's just maintaining it so far this week. Had a good week last week, and it's just doesn't want to pull back. Let's zoom into the daily chart and see. And there we have it. There it is. That's that break above this resistance level, and it's holding on nicely. So I'm calling this for now a fox market, which is not a bull market. It's not a bear market. It's a transitioning market. Transitioning into we don't know yet. But you know, it's looking more bullish than bearish. It's just that my system that I use, it's designed to keep you out of any whiplash and indecision, and this is still an undecided market. If you look at this 40 moving average, it's not going down anymore, but it's kind of not going up either. It's kind of leveling off and wandering around. So that system is designed to protect you from that. Not to say there's not lots of great trades, individual trades, stock trades that are going on. I'll show you one in just a second. Let's just look around. The lunar cycle, which is 2/3 of the time, predicts correctly the action in the week ahead, and that's on our side right now for a bullish argument. We're into a new moon cycle, so that's going the market's way. The indexes need to agree, and here's the Dow Jones, looking very similar to the S&P. The Nasdaq, which is what I've been saying for the last month now, I've been saying tech stocks is the place to be, and the Nasdaq has proved me right on this one. Look at this, it hasn't just pulled up out of the down phase like the S&P did. This one last week really jumped ahead, and it's building on that lead this week. Nasdaq is has been the one to watch, and that led us down, and it's going to lead us back up. Let's just look at one chart I want to show you so we can see the individual stocks. You don't have investing is bull and bear, but here's one I commentated on this week, and I was on my radar for a while now. This is why you need to subscribe so you don't miss opportunities like this. I was saying to get in around at that level there around 260, and look at this action here. Just a couple of months later, up she goes, and this is like a triple of your money. That's why you need to subscribe. And that's just one of many stocks we look at here. But the reason we look at the overall market here is it does affect your individual trades. And it's always good to have some money for your investing, not just your individual trades, and know what kind of market we're in. And the kind of market we're in right now is a fox market. It means it's a transitioning market. That's the big picture view. Week ahead, it's hard to argue with this market. I'm going to say the week ahead is bullish, and I will speak to you next time.
I appreciate you giving this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe or you could miss an important market call. Next up, a free webinar, how to read stock charts and trade stocks, so you'll know what I'm looking at each week and why, as well as be able to trade your own stocks. I'll speak to you next week.